In this tutorial you learn how to let an LED blink using the Arduino Uno. What you need is of course an Arduino Uno, an LED, a resistor and moreover some jumper wires. And in this tutorial I will use also this mini breadboard. It's important to know that LEDs have a forward voltage and a forward current. Typically the numbers of these two values can be found in the specification of the LED type. The LED used in this tutorial has a forward voltage of 2.2 volt and a forward current of 30 milliamperes. As the Arduino delivers 5 volt, 2.8 volt have to be absorbed by the resistor. In order to achieve this, you can make use of Ohm's law, which says resistance equals voltage divided by current. If we put in the numbers, we get a result of about 93.3 ohms. As I don't have a resistor which has exactly 93.3 ohms, I take the next higher one. In my case, this is a 150 ohms resistor. It's always safe to take a higher resistor, because in case the resistance is too low, the LED will just burn out. If you have no clue about the forward voltage and the forward current of your LED, then just take a 1K ohms resistor. I guess in 99% of all cases you are safe with such an 1K ohms resistor. Okay, so how to connect all the parts together? The LED has two legs, the so-called cathode, which is usually the shorter leg, and then there's the anode, which is usually the longer leg. The current flows only in one direction. That's why we have to connect the Arduino's ground pin to the cathode. I will make use of the breadboard in order to connect the cathode with the Arduino's ground pin. And then there's the resistor. We can connect the resistor either with the cathode or the anode. In this tutorial I will connect it to the anode and again make use of the mini breadboard. And finally we will connect the end of the resistor to digital pin number 2 of the Arduino. So that's it. That's our basic setup. Just in order to give you a better overview, I show you the fritzing file. So what you see here is the Arduino, the white breadboard, and then we connected this black wire from the ground to the cathode, the anode to the resistor, and then the other end of the resistor to pin 2 of the Arduino. So this is our code. It starts here with defining a variable for representing our digital pin 2. Then we have a variable named toggle, which represents the state of the LED. In the setup function there's only one line of code. We set digital pin 2 to the output mode. In the loop function we invert the toggle state. This means if toggle is low, it will be high after inverting. And if it's high, it will be low after inverting. Then we write out this state to digital pin 2, and then we wait for 1 second by calling this delay function to have a nice blinking effect. Okay, last thing to do is to upload the code to the Arduino, and what we get is a blinking effect, as you can see here.